Right, coordinate geometry, January 2010, question 5a, the CSEC past paper. Now, let us look at the question. A line passes through the point T, 4, 1, and has a gradient of 3 on 5, or 3/5. Determine the equation of this line. Now, as I read the question, what I am thinking about is that a sketch of this would help. So will memorization of the formulae. And I know that the gradient of a line is equal to vertical rise over horizontal shift, which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, where x1 y1 and x2 y2 are 2 points on the line. Also, y is equal to mx plus c, the equation of a line where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line cuts the y-axis. Now let us look at this sketch. Now let us see here. For this line, this is the point here, 4, 1. Right, this is the point 4, 1 on this line. And what we are noticing is that for every tree I go up 1, 2, 3 blocks, I have to go across by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at this point here. So I have this point 4, 1 and another point which is 9, 4. Now if I start over here at this point and I go up 1, 2, 3, I go across 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I can see that this point here could be on the line also. So that's a gradient of 3 up and 5 across. So that's what this is saying. A vertical change of 3. So as you go up 3, you go across by 5. So this is my sketch note. This gradient is positive. And so what I have right now for the input into the equation, right, y is equal to mx plus c. What I have so far is this 3/5, and equation, I'm just missing one more component now, which is the c. This is where it cut the y-axis. So I can see that this is between -1 and -2. Now I have to find that value here. To find that value, what I have is the point 4, 1, and this is telling me that x is 4 and y is equal to 1. And if it is that I substitute those two values into this equation here, y is equal to mx plus c, then I will have just one unknown, which is c, because I have the gradient already, and I have the y value of 1 and the x coordinate of 4. So let's substitute into this equation now. When y is equal to 1, that is m is equal to 3/5, x is equal to 4, and we could find c from this. So 1 is equal to 3/5 times 4, which is 4 by 3, 12 on 5, plus c. So c is equal to 1 subtract 12 over 5. So c is equal to -7 on 5, or -1 and 2 over 5. So that's, as you can see here, is between -1 and -2. So my answer here is correct. So the equation of the line is given by y is equal to m, which is 3/5, by x plus c, which is negative 7 on 5, and that is the answer to this question.